What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here on the Street Dreams channel. Today's an exciting one because we're gonna go pick up Alyssa's Miata today. She's had it stored at her aunt's house for...
Who's Alyssa?
Alyssa's my girlfriend. We picked her up a 1990 Miata about a year ago. Car is mint. She didn't want to buy because it had paint issues. Paint looks like crap, but the whole rest of the car is immaculate. So I told her, we'll pick it up, we'll get it painted, and she's been hassling me to get this thing painted. So today we're gonna go pick it up from her aunt's house, and then we're gonna bring it here and start stripping it down.
All right, just got here, look at her.
There she is.
All right, what are we, just stealing this thing? Basically, you're just gonna steal it. I got the keys, so this thing looks hideous.
Not that great.
Nice wheels, bro.
It's a good, clean car, but we have a whole shelf in the shop filled with new parts for this thing, so it'll be a great transformation. We're gonna try and bang this out in like 2 weeks.
Let's get the hell out of here. I hopped out of the truck.
Welcome, bud.
Dude, this thing honestly sounds pretty good. I do. I like that raspy, like. Yeah. Our heads really stick over the fucking stuff.
Stupid driving.
Yeah. You look like a goofball.
This thing's gonna transform like crazy.
We're not even doing the speed limit.
Oh my God.
Are you just flipping the throttle? Yeah. That sounds so good.
This thing's just way too fun. It is literally a go-kart, especially for someone like my size. Special place in my heart. Yeah,
I always hated these things.
look at you now, enjoying the shit out of it.
I don't think I've ever been in a convertible.
It's great. Look at this.
What other nice convertibles are there? I feel like that S2000 is the only nice convertible.
We're gonna jump right into this. I say we start taking off all the bumpers. Plan with this is somewhat of a professional, paint job, because we don't do no Mickey Mouse shit out here. Street Dreams, you heard? We're gonna paint strip the whole thing because it's already peeling off everywhere. So anything that is metal gets fully paint stripped. All new door seals, window seals. I'll take this thing off. Just basically get everything off. Disassemble everything. Maybe get the sanding today. If not, it'll be in the next video. We'll see when we can get to it. But come on, let's get to work, kid. So, when you have stripped Phillips bolts, somebody already stripped these. Take your grinder, make a little slit in them. Use a flathead. We are freaking chugging along on this thing. It's only been like an hour, not even 45 minutes maybe. All the boys working on this thing. I mean, a few bolts have snapped, typical. A few?
One broken there. One that sucks. This one sucks.
Typical bumper, bolts breaking. But everything else fairly simple and easy. Some wouldn't come off, so we had to grind them, and it's fine. We'll put all new things in here. Right now we're working on getting the rear out, taking all panels off so we can prep every single one of these, have these ready to go. I think they siliconed the taillight to the body. Why? What do you mean why? You asking me why they did it? Will you say this? So this is the corner that has been replaced. No kidding. Oh, never mind. Oh, they did actually. That's a new mod. Never seen anyone do that. That come out? Yeah, new tail. Don't throw those away, but. Dude, OEM genuine. Let's finish taking this thing apart. I have this shit in my hand. Well, after an hour, basically everything is off. Window seals off. Yeah, we got a new cowl. We're gonna powder coat these, but disassemble those. All the seals are basically off. I have to figure out what the hell,
How to get that
how
out.
this comes off, or if it even does come off. If not, nice little tape line.
Nah, I
Paint
feel
it.
like we definitely should try to get that off.
We'll take it off. Whole rear is off. We'll get new license plate lights because the previous owner looks like painted them. And they're all blurry and shit anyways. Inside of the trunk, I'm not really sure. Raptor liner, that'd be kind of cool, but
Honestly, that'd be the easiest.
because it would suck. Everything's black, jams are all black, and then you open the trunk and it's white. Makes no sense. This looks a little overwhelming, but to be honest, it's such a small car where it's like,
Overwhelming. That looks overwhelming.
what the hell is that?
Don't worry about it.
This car is honestly pretty clean. Not much rust, honestly, at all.
Just snap bolts.
Motor makes a little bit of noise, and I'm trying to think. I was just talking about this with Alex. Would you, all right, hear me out. If I were to engine swap this, it'd be a K24 swap. So it's either I K24 swap it, which will cost probably
A lot of money.
a lot of money because we didn't want to do it nice, or
Do we build this thing?
rebuild this motor. I honestly have zero clue about it. Like I haven't researched anything if they're good or not, but
What is
rebuild
it?
this motor, put maybe some forged pistons in there, maybe.
Do you know what this
Pour
is?
out the cylinder. What?
Is it like a 1.8, 1.6?
1.6 maybe. I'm stupid. I don't know anything about Miatas, to be honest. Build this, all new like built internals, and turbo it to make like maybe
100 horsepower.
I don't even know 250 horsepower. 250 horsepower on this thing.
That
This
sounds
thing's got
like
like
a
90
lot.
horsepower, right?
Yeah, that sounds like a lot.
250 horsepower on this would rip. I don't know. This thing makes a little bit of noise. Has
Knocks a little bit.
typical little rod knock, but for Alyssa, right now, it's mint. The biggest issue with the car was literally the paint. Like, I don't know if this is factory Mazda, but
No way. Look at the orange peel. Someone did a crap job.
The whole car?
Yeah, 100%. Look right here. It was probably already white originally, and then they tried to do another white paint job. As you can see, it didn't tape this off that well.
I don't know. Probably is the reason why there's overspray almost everywhere in the car. Let me show them what I got for this, because this soft top,
We got carbon bits, we
Whoa,
got
whoa, whoa.
hard tops, we got wheels, suspension.
soft top, trash. But look at what we got. Facebook Market hits again, kid. Look at this. It's already white. It looks pretty good, but it's spray paint. Somebody spray painted that, which sucks even worse because sanding this is gonna gum up and I'm gonna have to go through 3,000 sandpaper. But it's in fairly good condition. The inside has a little bit of scratches and stuff, but we can sand this down and shoot it with the base. I think it'll be mint. You guys don't even know what color it is. Hint, hint. What's a girl's favorite color? Huh? I mean,
It's a bad hint.
we're gonna call it a wrap because
It was good progress, and the next one we'll start sanding everything and getting everything prepped for paint.
stay tuned for the next episode, as you know, this is gonna come along very, very fast, hopefully. I leave for Greece in 2-3 weeks.
And this has to be done and out of here.
Done, assembled, fully transformed, suspension, wheels,
Carbon bits,
carbon
wings.
bits, everything put back together and ready to
Yeah, this
rip.
thing's honestly gonna transform.
Stay tuned. We'll catch you guys on the next one.